8 years ago, the ringing of the bell along Shanghai's Huangpu River marked Oppai Home's historic debut on the capital market. This milestone not only defined a golden period for China's home furnishing industry, but also propelled our ongoing journey toward global excellence. From a single product champion to a whole house customization industry leader, Oppai, with extraordinary vision, enables millions of families to get their dream home in a one-stop shop. 5 smart production sites strategically positioned across China. Industry 4.0 production lines ensure precise manufacturing. AI inspection accuracy reaches 0.1 millimeters. Every process is precise and efficient, making intelligence cover every stage of production. We innovated the first automated palletizing system in the home furnishing industry to enable automatic stacking for multi-size goods. And we utilized AGV technology to achieve fully automated logistics, pioneering a new chapter in automated production and logistics integration. Oppai redefines product design through the focus on actual room space. Starting from consumers' real-life needs, to provide comprehensive home furnishing solutions, for achieving perfect harmony of soul healing and functional purpose. Launching the intelligent design platform significantly enhances design efficiency and accuracy, providing critical support for the integrated home customization strategy. As the first company in the industry to achieve dual environmental certifications, Oppai continuously redefines eco-friendly home standards. From the formaldehyde-free 1.0 standard to the 4.0 standard, and from a single panel to the entire production chain, we act on our carbon-neutral commitment to safeguard the safety and health of every family. From Guangzhou headquarters to global stores. From Asian to European and American markets. From learning to surpassing, Oppai proves the strength of Chinese home furnishing brands to the world. We gave 35 million yuan to good causes, including the donation of green libraries for children and warm homes for street animals. As the industry leader, we understand that there are responsibilities to carry out and goodwill to share. With 31 years of brewing and 8 years as a public company, Oppai is fueled by 50 million orders for a bright future. At this new starting point, Oppai breaks boundaries and utilizes the intelligent technology to build the most valuable integrated home furnishing platform. In the home furnishing industry, we always break limits and advance.